Hey guys, this is AJ. I am at a fishing spot and I am going to try to do my best to catch a fish. I have high hopes for this place. I've been here a few times. I've caught some perch. My wife, she's caught a few striped bass. We've seen some big bass in here, and it'd be really neat to actually catch one of those. But just stay tuned and I hope you enjoy it. I'll do my best to make sure I catch a fish. All those baby minnows. This place that we're fishing at, we found just a few days ago. A relative of my wife, she told us about it. The first time we came here, it's like, man, you know, this is like fisherman paradise. Oh, I did. Caught a snag. Hope I didn't lose my lure. I think no, I didn't.
I got a fish.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Woohoo! Pretty good striper. Yeah. But y'all about to see why here in just a second. After I get me a worm. Dude was trying to get away. I need you. Bring my bobber up. Some about right there. Alright. Here we go. First cast. Nope, that one didn't do any good either. Gotcha. Good size. That would be a red ear. And I think he swallowed my hook. Yes, he did. It's a good size red ear, that it is. Try that again. Gotcha. Bluegill. Whew.
forgot to put a bobber on. How goofy is that? Oh man, I missed it. Dang. Try it again.
Well, folks, I didn't catch as much as I wanted to. I think with those gar showing up everywhere I tried to fish, they kept on scaring the fish off. But I think I did get 4 big, you know, not actually big ones, but enough that it'll go with the fish that we've already caught. But me cleaning those will be later on. I gotta put them on ice. So until next time, I will see y'all later. Thank you.